In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom text animation in Wix Studio. Whether you're designing a website for a client or just exploring the creative possibilities of Wix, learning how to apply dynamic text animations can bring a new level of engagement to your projects. So let's dive in step by step. First, head over to Wix Studio, which is the web platform built specifically for agencies and enterprises. Once there, you'll notice that it offers a variety of tools designed to make website creation a seamless experience. If you haven't already, click on the Login button at the top right-hand corner of the page. This step is crucial because you'll need to be logged in to access all the features we'll be utilizing today. When prompted, choose Continue with Google. This option is often the most straightforward way to gain access since it allows you to use your Google credentials to sign in quickly. Following this, you should find yourself in the Wix Studio dashboard where all the magic happens. With your dashboard open, select the piece of text you wish to animate. It's as simple as clicking on it. Once selected, look for the animation icon. It's usually represented by a little magic wand or something similar, depending on your current setup. Clicking this icon will open up various animation options for you to explore. Next, you want to choose Hover as your animation basis. Hover animations create interactive experiences by bringing elements to life when users pass their cursor over them. This kind of animation can make your website feel more dynamic and responsive. After choosing Hover, you'll see the option to add an animation. Click on Add and you'll be presented with a range of animation effects. You get to select whichever effect you think best suits your design aesthetic and objectives. Don't be shy about experimenting here. Sometimes the most unexpected choices yield the most impressive results. Once you've chosen the desired effect, click on Adjust Animation to fine-tune your animation settings. This is where you can define exactly how your text will behave. Start by editing the scale. Adjusting the scale changes how the text expands or contracts during the animation. Another crucial setting is the duration. Editing the duration allows you to determine how long the animation will last. A longer duration can create a flowing effect, while a shorter one might feel more snappy and immediate. Lastly, you have the option to edit the delay. The delay setting adjusts the time before your animation begins after being triggered. It's a small but impactful tweak that can synchronize your animations with other elements on the page for a cohesive look. And there you have it. With these steps, you've crafted a custom text animation in Wix Studio that will add a professional touch to your project. Remember, the best way to get comfortable with these tools is to practice and play around. Happy designing!